Hello children, how are you all doing? How are the things with you? I'm Shiny, your science teacher for this academic year. I hope you are all doing well and safe at home. First of all, congratulations to all of you for being promoted to grade 3. I warmly welcome you all into the new academic year. Well children, I'm so excited to teach you all the things in a natural way, and I hope you will find them fun and interesting to learn in a new way of learning related to subject. Well children, shall we start our class? Today's class is about living things and non-living things. A very interesting and general topic, children.
Concentrate on the presentation, children. Today, our topic is living and non-living things. Contents are living things, non-living things, difference between living and non-living things, difference between plants and animals. Living things. What are living things, children? Living things can grow, move, and need food. Examples of living things are people, animals, and plants. Characteristics of living things. Living things need food and water. Living things can breathe. Living things can move from one place to another. Living things can grow. Living thing can produce young ones. Non-living things. What are non-living things, children? Yes, non-living things can't grow, move, and don't need food. Examples of non-living things are a table, a car, a pencil, a house, a doll, a fan. Mountains and clouds are examples of non-living things. Children, the things, those which are around you, which don't need food and can't grow, are the best examples of non-living things. Now, differences between living and non-living things. Living things. Living things grow, whereas non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe, whereas non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. Living things move. Non-living things do not move. Living things can feel. Non-living things do not feel. Living things reproduce, whereas non-living things do not reproduce. Children, this is the most important slide through which you can able to get what is the difference between living things and non-living things. Just analyze and study, children. It is so simple. Next is difference between plants and animals. Differences between plants and animals. Now you are well known about plants and animals are considered as the living things. So now we will look into the differences between animals and plants, followed by a beautiful video for your understanding. Animals move from one place to another in search of food, whereas plants stay in one place and make their own food. Animals have sense organs, whereas plants do not have sense organs. Animals can reproduce by giving birth to babies or by laying eggs. Plants produce through seeds, stem, roots and leaves. Please do watch the video, children.
Now we know that both plants and animals are living things. But they are different from one another. Let us find out how. Animals can move from one place to another in search of food, water, and shelter. A tree or a plant does not move. It remains fixed to a place. Animals eat different types of food, such as meat, fish, fruits, vegetables, water, milk, etc. Animals take both solid and liquid food. A plant takes only water and mineral salts from the soil. Plants take only liquid food. Plants prepare their own food with the help of air and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Animals cannot prepare their food like plants. They get their food from plants only.
Yes, children. Hope you all understood the concept. See you in the next session, children. Stay home, stay safe, and most importantly, build up your immunity to fight with this coronavirus. Thank you. Bye bye.